channel Water Foodie Girl. I am Disha and this is the third episode of the lockdown series. And lockdown के time पे there is IPL that is going on. So मैंने सोचा कि एक छोटा सा पार्टी थ्रो करते हैं घर के अंदर ही with my family. But the problem that comes is food and vessels. मतलब इतना खाना कौन बनाएगा, plus vessels धोना and all, it becomes a really big task. But I have a solution. Watching IPL and being a fan of Chennai Super Kings from the start and only cheering for Dhoni, I thought of getting some food from Party Rasoi. You want to know what is Party Rasoi? Party Rasoi is basically this place where they cater to you party snacks or party main course, starters, desserts, सब कुछ. So they customize according to you. So you can choose from whatever they want. They have pav bhaji combo, they have Italian combo, Chinese, they even have iftar as Ramzan is going on right now. So they have so many things to choose from. They are a parent company of Manjula Caterings, which is serving hungry customers from past 25 years. So let's order from them. I'll show you how to order. So all you have to do is go to partyrasoi.com and then you can choose your date and your destination and how many packs you want. So they have a lot of combinations. You can pick up one. I chose the Italian combo, and then in the Italian combo there are a lot of options. So I chose garlic bread, some pastas and some chakna, and then you can just fill in your details. If you want dessert, you can go for desserts also, and that's it. It's so easy. So guys, this is Party Rasoi and let's unbox this. Whoa. So here we have moong dal, pulwadi, some tasty nuts for chakna when you watch IPL, and this is Bikaneri bhujia. So I have here rasmalai, then oh wow, this is the pasta. And then you open this down. Oh, free sample they have given to taste, so you can just scan it and you can get it like this. Some more freebies. Then here we have mini burgers. Look how cute this is. Nachos and dip. Red sauce pasta, which is also called as arrabbiata pasta. And this is cheesy garlic bread. Each container is vacuum packed and really spill proof. So this is one thing I really liked about Party Rasoi कि बहुत अच्छी तरह से इनकी पैकेजिंग हुई थी एंड हर एक चीज़ अपने 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 डब्बे में आई थी. Dhoni entering the field. I'm a huge CSK fan and CSK match के साथ पार्टी रसोई तो बनता है. So I'm having some pasta first. Dhoni. What is Virat gossiping over there. Planning and plotting. So, the first ball. Who's batter? Who's bowling? Oh, it's Jadhav got out, so now Dhoni has come, and we'll start our meal with pasta. The white sauce is really nice. It's creamy. They put zucchini, broccoli, bell peppers, and everything. Here you can see, and really nicely sauced. Sauce इनका बहुत अच्छा है. And now I'm going to try the red sauce pasta. The red sauce pasta has a good, a little bit of spice, a kick, and it has a tomato flavor. They have put a lot of oregano, so the oregano taste is also there. Then I'm going to try the garlic bread now. Look at the cheese on the garlic bread. Looks really nice. The flavor of garlic is really nice. It's cheesy. The butter that they have, I think they have used a little bit of cheese sauce also, and a little bit of mayo also, just to enhance the taste. That's a really good thing. And now this cute thing. So this is a very cute thing that I saw. I thought of ordering mini burgers. Look how small this is. Hello, Coco. It's as small as your face, yeah? So let's try this. Nice. So if you see now, they have cheese slice and some sauce. It looks like Thousand Island sauce with a little bit of chili flakes, oregano and all. But the sauce is really nice, and the patty is like homemade. It's potato. It's like batata vada ka patty. And it's really nice. It's like desi small mini burger. Nice. Nachos. That look really crispy. Let me try this. The nachos are really nice. They are crispy, and you can even use a dip. But I thought I should just eat it plain. So that's all. Then last we try is this rasmalai. So when we come for dessert, that time I'll tell you how rasmalai tastes. But once you enjoy IPL, you can even try their snacks like moong dal and all. And this is like the patent of India, that is tasty nuts. So you can try all this and enjoy the IPL match and keep supporting Chennai Super Kings and be a Dhoni fan. So I'm going to try the rasmalai now. They look really soft. See how juicy it is. Milky it is. The rasmalai is really nice. It's very soft, spongy. And the milk is not overpowering sweet. It's really nice. It's the best out of the lot. And my favorite. Guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'm so sad that Corona is going on. But जब मैं कोरोना के पहले जहाँ पे स्ट्रीट फूड में करती थी, look at the views that I have got here. So the highest number of views I've got was on the Churchgate food series. So make sure you see these videos. I'm going to link it down below. It's really nice. And after Corona, make sure you go there and hog yourself. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm going to reach 13,000 soon. And I do upload a lot of yummy recipes. So keep watching What a Foodie Girl and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because there are more episodes that are going to come up for the lockdown series. Bye bye.